We all know the concerns that flies can have on our agricultural production: disease transmission, production loss, and guest nuisance. Partnering with Apex Bait Technologies, we have conducted 2 fly bait studies, houseflies and stable flies, at both a beef cattle operation and an agritourism farm in August and September of 2024. For the housefly study, we had 3 different treatments that were replicated 3 different times. The treatments consisted of a control trap, which was filled with just water, a trap that had a commercial lure, and a trap that had a commercial lure plus a novel fly attractant.
And we checked those weekly, and what we looked at was the number of flies caught. With the control, Jackie, how many flies did we catch?
0 flies were caught in that control trap the entire study. The average for the commercial lure trap was 115. And the average for the commercial lure trap plus the novel bait attractant was 148.
When you look at the numbers, there's a large difference between the commercial lure and our control.
But it's not large enough, and the statistics that we ran did not show that it was indeed a statistical difference between them. We did see on that 3rd replication a sharp decrease in flies in all the traps. So we're thinking that it might have been an environmental influence on that 3rd week. For the stable fly study, we had 8 replications of 2 different treatments. We had an alcinine trap and an alcinine trap plus the bait. Measurements for this were also flies caught, but this time we checked them daily.
Over the 8 replications in the 2 studies, what kind of results did we see?
On our control trap, we had an average of 43.3 flies caught per day. And on our second treatment, we had an average of 32.1 flies caught per day.
Was that statistically significant?
These treatments were not statistically significant from each other. And honestly, when we look at the observations, we noticed that the control actually performed better than our bait. So we plan to do more research out there, trying to get as much information as we can for producers to help control those fly populations in all of our agricultural productions.